Well, good morning. Today I've just come back down to Coomera River. I thought it'd be a little bit cleaner than what it is at the moment, but anyway, so I'm just going to try to get some whiting, and hopefully they're starting to move back into the estuaries after the breeding season, but we'll have to wait and see. It's a beautiful morning. It's going to get to about 6 or 7 knots, northeasterlies I think they are. That shouldn't worry me, it should be beautiful down here anyway. Oh well, haven't done some whiting fishing for quite a while because of all the rain about. It's going to be a running tide. Anyway, let's see how I go, eh? Wish me luck. Stingray, you bastard. Just a nice little tire one, 30 centimetres. Hope there's not too many of these around. A bit of a slow start, actually. Oh, jeez. Bloody pony, bloody fish. That's what I came down to here to get, 38 centimetres. It's not a bad fish. doing is catching bloody catfish. The water's pretty dirty. Just at 30 centimetres, so I'm right at the mouth of the northern arm. I've been catching catfish, stingray, bloody pony fish, anything but these. So I thought I'd come out here. It's still pretty dirty out here actually. Anyway, well, I've got one here so far. I'll just, if I get up a couple more, great. But I was thinking about heading back down to the southern arm, see how that is down that way. Well, I'm going to call that a day. So I've been catching catfish, stingray, pony fish. The only highlight of the day was that baby, 38 centimetres. I ended up with what, 2 whiting and a little bloody tarwine. I'd say it's probably going to be another month before the Coomera River's a lot cleaner and there's no more bloody catfish. Anyway, that's how it goes. Until next time.